Hi, my name is Kiona. I've been in export sales for many years, and now I'm running a software company where we've helped hundreds of customers in expanding global markets by using custom data. So in this video, I'll be sharing exactly how you can find overseas buyers and using our AI system to find related key person and spend just a little time when it comes to lead generation. Let's go! So what is customs data? It's an import and exported data and released by these agencies and government authorities. Since the data is collected by government, you can trust this data. But not all the countries provide their customs data. Here is the list of all the countries they provide of the customs data. So even I know some countries like Taiwan, Japan, they're not on the list, but you can use reverse data to find their information. Let's say like the supplier from Taiwan and ship to the United States. But because United States, they expose the trading data, so you can use this reverse data to find the Taiwanese supplier. It's a very helpful tool for enterprises to develop overseas customers and analyze B2B market trend. So what information does custom data include? This data includes the details about the name of importer and exporter and their countries. So you can also search the country of origin and also destination country as well. And also product description. Sometimes you can see the part number as well. And trade time and trade value and also weight. So in some specific countries, for example like Indonesia, Philippines, and Vietnam, you can see the price on the bills of lading. So you can calculate, see if your offer is good or not. And you can also see the payment term and are they shipping by the sea or by the air, and also address code. But for the general address code, just use 6 numbers is enough. So this is bill of lading from China to the USA. And you can see the importer name is this company. And also supplier is this one from China, and you can also see the address as well. As for the details, you can see the quantity, gross weight, and also they use the CIF trading terms, and also the price for the USD, and they ship by the sea because there's a voyage and there's an ocean here, so you know they ship by sea. And you can also see the container information. So why is custom data are so important? 4 functions. First, develop new business. Second is all customer observation. Third one is supervise competitors' activities. And the last one is understand market trends. So first, develop new business opportunities. You can insert product name, let's say connector, and then you search data. You can see all the buyers around the world here. Let's say if you want to have a United States buyers, and you can choose destination country to United States, click the buyer list again, and you can see from here they will make a list. Second, observe existing customer supply chain. Because you already know this company name, we insert the name, then you will see this is a customer if you want to review. And from this company, we are interested in who is their supplier. And in here, you can see all their suppliers. The suppliers are from Italy, Taiwan, and also China. So let's say if you know this supplier very well, you want to know what kind of products this Ultra Flex supply to your customer. Then we can filter here. Then we can see those 400 bills of ladings are here. And if you want to see one of the details, you can click the view. You will see all the details. Third is supervise competitor activities. Let's say you sell sesame oil, and this Kadoya sesame is your competitor. And so we insert this competitor name here, and we found his trading records. And from here, you can see this is the trade record. And as you can see, from 2016 to until now, here 2020 June, the number of the trade is the most. And if you want to know who is the most stronger buyers for them, and you can check here, the buyer is from the United States. It's called with tag Asian fruits. The number of the trade is 1020, and the quantity is a lot. And you can check if you can also offer the same products to them. Last one is the market trend. Let's say if you want to develop a new product, but you always need to know like if this product is very popular in the market, do they already have many suppliers? Let's say if you want to develop the new product and tools, and from here you will see like, oh, from 2015 until now, they increase a lot of number of transactions. That means like these products are increasing a lot of needs, so you can develop this new product. So how to find buyer's contact? Once we found a buyer, CG nationality, and we can click here easy search now, and then they will started to develop. So in here you can see the CG nationalities. We found the 14 contacts. You can click the verify email. In here you already valid. This is already valid, so better to send this one first. And you can also click here to find their LinkedIn, and you can also send them the connect. and then you can also add a note to them and sending them the information. And from here, you can also send them the emails. So you can add the contact and also find the contacts here, and then you can send from here. Just click the send email, and then you will find this template to write the emails. And you can select your email from and reply to, and use AI to write the email and then send it out. And you can click here to find the email reports. We sent out the email is 778, and the validate email is 546. So you can see all the details here, like who is reading and who is click. And if you want to also know the list of which email is sent success or be filtered out or mailbox error, you can check in here as well. So what to consider when purchasing a customs data? 3 features. First is data updates, and second is all-in-one systems. Third is provider background. Those are very important details you need to check before you bought a customs data. How long does the custom data provider update the data? Custom data updates frequency by weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Typically, data from the United States, India, Turkey, and Peru are updated weekly. Therefore, if the custom data provider only has 6 months or a year-old data, it's likely to be second-hand data. Don't buy it. All-in-one system. All-in-one system includes from data search and customer context identification, EDM marketing, and also EDM filing reports. Also, you can managing customer list. This is all can be used in one system. Provider background. We established in 2004, and we bought data from customers' authorities in different countries to make sure the database is legal. Our data is weekly updates to obtain first-hand information on import and export data. We keep improving our features based on user feedback. For example, precise search only matched with the same words in the data. For example, when we didn't use precise search and then you type red bean, you can see in here even the red bumble bean, they will show up. But maybe this is not the specific type of red bean you are looking for. So the precise search is very important for you. If you use precise search, and you can see they will show only when these two words, red and bean, combines together. So you won't see any other choice, so you can find the more precise buyers as well. We serve over 4,000 customers across industries, including electronics, hardware, chemicals, gardening, plastic, textiles, home appliance, and medical. If you want to know what information custom data can provide for your industry, please scan the WhatsApp QR code on the screen or fill out the form below to schedule an online demo.